guys, it's Dope, and today we're working on the jumping leg thread tutorial. Now, this is a move that you can use in breaking, you can use it in house dance, you can use it in hip hop or light feet. You can use it in any of the styles. There's different contexts and different ways that you can use the move, but super cool move that you can use in any of them, nice and explosive and not too difficult at all. So, what I want you to do first though is make sure you've stretched off, so do some of these straddle stretches. And yeah, just make sure you're warm and ready for this move. So have a little stretch first if you need while I'm talking, and then we'll get into the move. So if you do want to learn any other styles, I've got links to playlists in the description for light feet, breaking, house. I've got move tutorials, I've got routine tutorials, everything. So check out links in the description after this video and jump onto something else, yeah? But once you've stretched, let's get straight into this one. So we're going to start on the floor first. If you want to be able to do a jumping leg thread, you need to be able to do a leg thread on the floor first. So, you want to sit down on the floor, in your straddle stretch, bend your knees in. Now, the first one, all we're going to do is you're going to bring right foot across. You're going to grab the end of your foot with your opposite arm, so left arm. I will shout out all my opposites just so it's easier for you guys to learn facing me. So, right foot across, grab it with your left arm. Now, you want to grab right on the end of your toe. Because if you're grabbing anywhere down here, you're making that space that you're going to thread a lot smaller. So grab right on the end of your toe. Now your left leg, you're going to bend it in as far as you can before you even start to thread. So bend it in, that knee should start to come through, and you're just going to bring that foot through, and out it goes. Yeah? So again, you bring that right foot across, you grab the end of your toe with that left hand, bend that knee in of your other leg, left leg is bending in, bring that foot through, and that's your thread. Yeah, so that's what we're going to do, but in the air. So jump yourself up. If you can do that, good to go. If not, pause the video, try a couple of times, rewind it, go over that. But once you've got that, we're doing the jumping leg thread. So a jumping leg thread looks like this. I'll show you to the side. It's not that difficult, I promise. Yeah, now try not to let go of your foot in the air. I mean, I did a little then, you're never going to be 100% perfect, but you always want to make sure you keep holding that foot all the way through. And it's a complete thread, otherwise you're kind of cheating it if you're not grabbing it all the way, yeah? So, all we're going to do for this one is you're going to step forwards on your left foot. Now this is going to be your speed and your power. You want to kind of run and step into it. You can do it just from standing here and jump through. I find that a lot harder. If you step and get some speed and power into it, it'll make it a lot easier. So you're going to step your left foot in front, now you're going to hop off that left foot and bring your right knee up. And that's how you're going to start it. So you step on left, jump hop, bring right knee up. Now what you're doing here, so you step left, jump hop, bring right knee up. You're going to grab that foot. Now all you're doing here is once you've jumped off this leg, your left leg is then going to bend up like we did on the floor. And your foot's going to come through, and that's the foot you land on. You should have your other foot grabbed behind. So you're stepping on left, jump hop, bring right knee up, grab that foot. Yeah? Again, with no thread, just with that jump and grab. So you step left, jump up, grab. Yeah? Now if you speed that up, it should be step, jump, grab. So you're getting quite a lot of height. That's why it's easier than just doing it from standing. So one more, step on left, jump up, grab. Okay, now what you're going to do is go for it. So you've stepped, jump up, grab, bend this knee in, bring it through, foot down. Now you may face plant 1 or 2 times. Don't worry about it, it's just part of the learning process. You might tangle your legs, you might let go, it's all good, it'll get there in time, yeah? But let's try it quick. So I'll count as in 5, 6, 7, 8, we'll step, jump, thread it through. Yeah, now all you're doing once you've threaded it through, so you've jumped, threaded it through, keep holding that foot, you should land on the foot that's come through your left leg, and land with this one grabbed. Yeah? So I'll count us in, we'll go straight for it. So 5, 6, 7, 8, step, jump, thread. Yes, and again, 5, 6, 7, 8, step, jump, thread. Nice, one more. So make sure, as much height as you can, big step, big power, bend this knee in, that's the tip, bend it in all the way as far as you can to bring it through. Rather than trying to bring that foot through, bend this knee in as close as you can, then thread. Let's go 2 more. So big step, 5, 6, 7, 8, step, thread, through. One more. 5, 6, 7, 8, step, thread, through. There we go, nice. Now I'll have a slow-mo come up here for you, just so you can watch it slow motion, in case there's any things that you're struggling on. I mean, jumping leg thread is just practice. If you're struggling with a thread part, then go back down to the floor, practice the floor thread. That's a tongue twister. Floor thread, like we've just done. Make sure your thread is nice and clean. Make sure you're getting that knee in. Make sure you're pushing that leg through. Once you've got that, go back to practicing the step and jump. Once you've got that, you kind of just got to go for it. Nail it 10, 20 times. After each time, make sure you think, what can I do better? What am I doing wrong? What am I doing right? And you'll definitely get that jumping leg thread, yeah? But there it is, that's your jumping leg thread. So one last time, always finish on a good one. So 5, 6, 7, 8, step, jump, thread. There it is, boom. Well done guys, if you managed to knock that one out, if you did enjoy this one, be sure to hit that like button, smash that subscribe button to keep up to date with the content. As always, hit that bell notification button so you're notified when things come through. And if you want to learn any other styles, any other moves, routines, as always, links in the description. I do appreciate all you guys who have subscribed and all you guys who comment. I'll catch you in the next one. Well done.